Have you ever seen something so breathtaking that it completely redefines how you view the universe? Well, that's exactly what happened when Bill Nye, the science guy himself, reacted to one of the most astonishing images captured by the James Webb Space Telescope. This is more than just a picture, it's a window into the vastness of space and time. Unlike Hubble, which mainly observes invisible and ultraviolet light, Webb operates primarily in the infrared spectrum, allowing it to peer through cosmic dust and see galaxies that formed billions of years ago. This means we can now witness the universe in ways we never thought possible. When NASA released one of the first JWST deep field images, it left scientists, astronomers, and even casual space enthusiasts in awe. The sheer depth of the image, showing thousands of galaxies, some over 13 billion years old, shattered previous records of how far back we could observe in time. Bill Nye, known for his enthusiasm for space and science, was quick to express his amazement. But what exactly was it about this image that left him speechless? Bill Nye is no stranger to scientific wonders, but even he was left in awe when he saw the JWST image. In a recorded interview, he was visibly excited, his eyes lighting up as he analyzed the intricate details of the cosmic landscape. Nye emphasized how the telescope is helping us answer some of the most profound questions about our origins. In his reaction, Nye explained that every single point of light in the image isn't just a star. It's an entire galaxy, filled with billions of stars and potentially habitable planets. This realization, he said, is both humbling and exhilarating. He also touched on how technology has brought us to this moment, allowing us to look deeper into space than ever before. For Nye, this wasn't just a stunning picture, it was proof of humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge. The JWST deep field image is more than just a snapshot. It's a historical record of our universe's infancy. The light captured by Webb has been traveling for over 13 billion years, meaning we are seeing galaxies as they existed shortly after the Big Bang. This allows scientists to study how the first stars and galaxies formed, shedding light on the evolution of the cosmos. Bill Nye pointed out that one of the most fascinating aspects of the image is gravitational lensing. This occurs when massive objects, like galaxy clusters, bend and magnify the light from even more distant galaxies behind them. Essentially, it's nature's way of giving us a cosmic magnifying glass. Nye marveled at how this phenomenon allows us to see objects that would otherwise be invisible, unlocking secrets of the early universe that have remained hidden until now. Nye believes that JWST is just the beginning of an exciting new era of discovery. This telescope will help us analyze exoplanets, searching for atmospheres that might indicate life. Imagine the possibilities finding another Earth-like planet with the right conditions for life as we know it. That's not science fiction, it's within our reach. Bill Nye also highlighted the importance of continued investment in space exploration. He passionately argued that missions like JWST fuel our curiosity, drive technological advancements, and inspire future generations of scientists and engineers. The discoveries we make today could lead to groundbreaking innovations in the future, perhaps even interstellar travel. It's easy to look at deep space images and think they don't affect our daily lives, but Bill Nye reminds us that this couldn't be further from the truth. Understanding the universe helps us understand ourselves. By studying distant galaxies, we learn about the fundamental forces that shape reality. By searching for extraterrestrial life, we reflect on what it means to be human. Nye ended his reaction with an inspiring message: science is for everyone. You don't have to be an astrophysicist to appreciate the wonders of space. All it takes is curiosity. The JWST image isn't just for scientists, it's for all of us, a reminder of how small yet significant we are in this vast cosmic story. Bill Nye emphasized that JWST's images take us back in time billions of years to the formation of the first galaxies. We are literally looking at the universe as it was shortly after the Big Bang, he explained, marveling at the telescope's ability to capture cosmic history in stunning detail. The images stunned scientists by showing fully formed galaxies at a time when theories suggested they shouldn't exist yet. Nye noted that discoveries like these challenge and refine our understanding of galaxy evolution. Science is about questioning what we think we know, he said. Unlike Hubble, which mainly captures visible and ultraviolet light, JWST uses infrared to peer through cosmic dust and uncover hidden structures. Nye called it like having X-ray vision for the universe, revealing phenomena that were once invisible. One of the telescope's most exciting capabilities is analyzing exoplanet atmospheres. Nye pointed out that JWST's spectroscopic data could help identify planets with conditions suitable for life, bringing us closer to answering one of humanity's biggest questions: are we alone? Nye was particularly thrilled about JWST detecting water, carbon dioxide, and other key molecules in exoplanet atmospheres. If we find biosignatures any hint of life, it will be the biggest discovery in human history, he declared. The telescope is also helping scientists study dark matter and dark energy, which make up 95% of the universe but remain largely unexplained. Nye explained how JWST's deep field images could provide new clues about these cosmic mysteries. JWST has captured breathtaking images of star-forming regions, showing young stars emerging from clouds of gas and dust. It's like watching the universe give birth, Nye said, describing these images as some of the most awe-inspiring ever taken. The telescope has provided stunning new views of well-known celestial objects, such as the pillars of creation. Nye praised how JWST allows us to see these regions in more detail than ever before, deepening our understanding of stellar life cycles. One of the most striking discoveries is how JWST has revealed large-scale structures connecting galaxies across the universe. Nye likened it to seeing the universe's skeleton, offering new insights into how matter is distributed on the largest scales. Nye took time to appreciate the engineering behind the telescope. This is the result of decades of teamwork, innovation, and perseverance, he said, applauding NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency for their collaboration. He reminded audiences that JWST faced delays, budget overruns, and technical challenges, yet scientists and engineers never gave up. Science is about persistence, Nye said, adding that the telescope's success is a testament to human ingenuity. With JWST operational, Nye sees it as a stepping stone for future space missions, including potential voyages to Mars and beyond. He believes this telescope will inspire a new generation to pursue careers in science and engineering. Nye stressed that discoveries like these are fueled by curiosity. Humans have always looked up at the night sky and wondered, he said, reminding us that exploring the universe is part of what makes us human. Nye encouraged people to follow JWST's discoveries and support space exploration. These images belong to everyone, he said, emphasizing the importance of making science accessible and exciting for all. Nye urged governments and organizations to continue funding space research. Investing in space is investing in the future, he stated, highlighting how advancements in astronomy lead to innovations in other fields, from medicine to artificial intelligence. Beyond scientific implications, Nye spoke about the sheer beauty of JWST's images. This is art created by the cosmos, he said, expressing how these breathtaking snapshots remind us of our place in the vast, ever-expanding universe. He pointed out that space exploration unites people across cultures and borders. We're all on this tiny planet together, looking out at the same sky, Nye reflected, calling for global collaboration in scientific discovery. With JWST just beginning its mission, Nye is excited for what's to come. This is only the start, he said, looking forward to even more groundbreaking revelations in the coming years. Nye acknowledged the legacy of James Webb, the NASA administrator who played a key role in Apollo-era space exploration. He praised how the telescope named in Webb's honor continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Nye explained that JWST is forcing scientists to rethink fundamental aspects of cosmology. Every time we get a better tool to study the universe, we realize we were missing key pieces of the puzzle, he said. The telescope's ability to see older and more distant galaxies than ever before may lead to refinements or even major revisions of existing cosmological models. One of the most debated topics in astrophysics is the discrepancy in measurements of the universe's expansion rate, known as the Hubble tension. Nye pointed out that JWST could provide crucial data to resolve this mystery. The more precise our measurements, the closer we get to understanding why different methods give different answers, he explained. Another mind-blowing aspect of JWST's findings is the discovery of massive black holes in unexpectedly young galaxies. Nye emphasized how this challenges traditional theories. How did these supermassive black holes form so quickly? It's a question we didn't even think we'd need to ask, he said, highlighting how JWST is rewriting our knowledge of early galaxies. Nye, a longtime advocate for the search for extraterrestrial life, is particularly excited about JWST's role in astrobiology. The telescope's ability to analyze exoplanet atmospheres could help scientists detect potential biosignatures, gases, or molecules that might indicate life. If JWST finds signs of life on another planet, it'll be the biggest discovery in human history, Nye said. Nye also drew a parallel between space exploration and climate science. The same technology that helps us study distant planets also helps us understand Earth's atmosphere, he explained. JWST's precision in detecting atmospheric gases could improve climate monitoring and forecasting here at home. Despite its successes, Nye reminded the public that JWST is operating in a delicate environment. Unlike Hubble, which orbits Earth and can be repaired, JWST is stationed at Lagrange Point 2, nearly 1,000,000 miles away. It's a marvel of engineering, but there's no fixing it if something goes wrong, he warned, underscoring the importance of careful planning in space missions. Nye praised the excitement surrounding JWST, noting that millions of people have engaged with its images and discoveries. Science is for everyone, and the fact that so many people are fascinated by these findings is incredible, he said, encouraging continued public interest in astronomy. Looking ahead, Nye discussed how private space companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin might collaborate with governmental space agencies for future missions. He speculated that JWST's success could inspire new telescopes and missions funded through public-private partnerships. Nye emphasized that while JWST is a revolutionary tool, it is not the final step in space exploration. Scientists are already planning future telescopes, such as the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and the LUVOIR mission, which will push the boundaries even further. JWST is just the beginning of a new era in astronomy, he said. One of Nye's biggest takeaways from JWST's findings is their ability to inspire people, particularly young students. When kids see these images, they start dreaming of becoming scientists, engineers, and astronauts, he said. He encouraged educators to use these discoveries as teaching tools. As data from JWST continues to pour in, scientists are using artificial intelligence, AI, to analyze vast amounts of information. Nye pointed out that AI is helping astronomers detect patterns, classify galaxies, and search for anomalies that humans might miss. This is science at its best, humans and machines working together to unlock the universe's secrets, he said. While celebrating the advancements of JWST, Nye also acknowledged ethical questions surrounding space exploration. As we look for habitable planets, we have to ask ourselves, what will we do if we find one? How do we explore responsibly? He asked, urging careful consideration of humanity's role in the cosmos. Nye praised NASA and its international partners for their commitment to pushing the limits of human knowledge. NASA has always been about exploration, and JWST is a testament to what happens when we dare to dream big, he said, reinforcing the importance of supporting space agencies worldwide. With so much data being collected, Nye highlighted the increasing role of citizen scientists in space research. "You don't have to be a professional astronomer to make a contribution," he said, encouraging the public to participate in projects like Galaxy Zoo or exoplanet hunting initiatives. Beyond the scientific and technological achievements, Nye reflected on the deeper meaning of JWST's findings. "Looking at these images, you can't help but wonder, what does it all mean? Where do we fit in this vast, beautiful universe?" he said, reminding us that science and philosophy often go hand in hand. Ending on a hopeful note, Nye expressed his belief that JWST's discoveries will shape the future of space exploration. One day, humans might walk on another planet, inspired by what we're seeing now. And that's the power of science. It takes us places we never imagined possible. Nye reflected on how JWST's images put human existence into perspective. Seeing galaxies billions of light years away reminds us just how small we are, but also how remarkable it is that we can even comprehend the universe, he said. He encouraged people to embrace the wonder of science and our place in the cosmos. Nye discussed how images from JWST affect people emotionally. "When you see these incredible vistas of deep space, you feel something profound, a mix of awe, curiosity, and humility," he explained. He believes such images inspire both scientists and ordinary people to think more deeply about life and the universe. JWST is just the beginning of next-generation space telescopes. Nye mentioned upcoming missions like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, which will study dark matter and exoplanets, and the proposed LUVOIR mission, which could directly image Earth-like planets. "The more we explore, the better we understand the universe," he said. Nye emphasized that JWST is a product of international cooperation. NASA worked with the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, to bring the telescope to life. "This proves that when nations work together for science, we all benefit," he said, advocating for more global partnerships in space research. With JWST collecting massive amounts of data, Nye highlighted the importance of AI in analyzing it. "There's so much data that humans alone can't process it all," he said. "Machine learning helps astronomers identify new galaxies, black holes, and even potential biosignatures on exoplanets." Nye stressed that young people will carry the torch of discovery forward. "The kids inspired by JWST today will be the scientists and engineers who design the next great space missions," he said. He encouraged students to pursue STEM careers and to keep asking big questions. As JWST delivers more discoveries, Nye believes space agencies worldwide will expand their missions. He pointed out that agencies like NASA, ESA, and CSA, as well as China's CNSA and India's ISRO, are becoming more ambitious. "We're in a new space age, and JWST is leading the way," he said. JWST's images have already inspired artists, musicians, and filmmakers. Nye predicted that as these discoveries become more mainstream, they will influence storytelling in science fiction, art, and even philosophy. "Science and creativity go hand in hand," he said. "One challenge of deep space telescopes is transmitting data back to Earth." Nye explained that JWST sends information across nearly 1 million miles using highly advanced communication technology. "Every image we see is the result of an incredible feat of engineering," he said. Nye noted that with increased interest in space exploration, space tourism is also becoming a reality. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already launching private missions. As we learn more about space, more people will want to experience it firsthand, he predicted. Beyond science, Nye reflected on how JWST's findings might influence philosophy. "If we find evidence of life elsewhere, it will reshape how we think about existence," he said. He encouraged people to explore not only the scientific, but also the philosophical implications of space discoveries. With new discoveries come new questions about space policy. Nye pointed out that JWST's findings could impact debates on space law, planetary protection, and space resource utilization. As we explore more, we need ethical guidelines to protect what we find, he said. Nye was particularly excited about JWST's role in studying exoplanets. He explained how scientists are already identifying promising candidates for further study, including planets in habitable zones. The more we learn, the closer we get to finding another Earth, he said. While JWST itself isn't a spaceship, its discoveries could fuel interest in interstellar travel. Nye speculated that within the next century, humanity might send probes to nearby star systems. We're still a long way from warp drive, but every discovery brings us one step closer, he said. Teachers and educators around the world are already using JWST's images to inspire students. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.